Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image to a post or page on your WordPress site. In this case, I'm going to add some images to a page on my site. We're going to start out from the dashboard and go to Pages. I'm going to add the images to my home page. You can see I've already got some text entered into my page, and I'm going to add an image by choosing Add Media. There are a few different ways that you can add images to your post or page. I've already got some images uploaded in my media library, but you can also upload new files from your computer. You can also insert images from a URL if the image is located on another site. In this case, let's go ahead and upload some new files from my computer. You're going to locate the files on your computer and then upload them. Alright, once the images are uploaded, you can choose which image that you want to put onto the page. On the right side, you can enter information about the image, such as a title, a caption, and any alternative text or description. Then you're going to decide how you want the image to be formatted. I'm going to align it to the left of the page and make sure it's a large file. You can also change what the image links to. The default is to link to a larger size of the image, but you can also link to a URL if you want to. Once you've changed these options, you can click Insert into Page. Now that the image is on my page, it looks a little big, so I'm going to click on the image and choose the Edit option, which is a little pencil. This will give you the same options to edit your image, and I'm going to change it to a medium size. Then I'll click Update. Alright, that looks quite a bit better. Now, I'm also going to show you how to insert a gallery into your page. It's very similar to inserting an image. Put your cursor where you want the gallery to go, and then click Add Media once more. Then you will choose Create Gallery. You can use the images you've already uploaded, or upload images as I've just shown you. I'm going to choose a few of the images to go in the gallery. Once you've chosen the images, click Create New Gallery. Now, you can caption the images and drag them to be in the order you want them to be in. You can also edit the number of columns. Once you're done, click Insert Gallery. Once you've added the images, you can click Preview Changes to view your page on your site and see how it looks. And that's how you would add images to a post or page on your WordPress site.